Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the clutter and excess in your life? If so, you're not alone. Minimalism is a lifestyle trend that has been sweeping the world in recent years, and for good reason. By simplifying your life to include only the essentials, you can experience increased productivity, reduced stress, and improved financial management. But did you know that minimalism can also help you build wealth and become rich? That's right. By adopting just a few minimalist habits, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. So if you're ready to simplify your life and build wealth at the same time, keep watching. In this video, we'll share with you 5 minimalist habits that can make you rich. 1. Prioritize savings. One of the most important minimalist habits for building wealth is prioritizing savings. In order to build wealth, you need to have money to invest. The best way to do that is by saving as much money as possible. This may mean cutting back on unnecessary expenses like dining out, subscriptions, and impulse purchases. The more you save, the more money you'll have to invest and grow your wealth. But saving doesn't have to mean deprivation. It can be helpful to set up automatic savings plans that transfer a portion of your income into a separate savings account each month. That way, you don't have to think about saving or make the conscious decision to do it every time you get paid. You can also try the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests that 50% of your income should go towards necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards savings. 2. Adopt a less is more mentality. The minimalist lifestyle is all about simplifying your life and focusing on what truly matters. This includes adopting a less is more mentality when it comes to material possessions. The fewer things you own, the less money you'll spend on maintaining, repairing, and storing them. By focusing on quality over quantity and only purchasing what you truly need, you can save a significant amount of money in the long run. This mentality can also extend to your overall lifestyle. By prioritizing experiences over material possessions, you can create lasting memories without breaking the bank. Instead of buying the latest gadget or fashion item, invest in experiences like travel, concerts, or cultural events. These experiences often provide more value and happiness than material possessions, and they don't require ongoing maintenance or storage. 3. Practice mindful spending. Minimalism is all about being intentional and mindful in all aspects of your life, including your spending habits. Rather than making impulsive purchases or spending money without thought, practice mindful spending. This means taking the time to consider whether a purchase aligns with your values, priorities, and financial goals. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you really need or if it's just a fleeting desire. You can also try implementing a waiting period before making any non-essential purchases. If you see something you want, wait 24 hours before buying it. This will give you time to reflect on whether it's a worthwhile purchase and whether you truly need it. It can also help you avoid making impulsive purchases that you may regret later. 4. Focus on debt reduction. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. The more debt you have, the more money you'll have to spend on interest payments, and the less money you'll have to invest in your future. That's why one of the most important minimalist habits for building wealth is focusing on debt reduction. Start by creating a debt repayment plan that prioritizes high-interest debts like credit cards and personal loans. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to pay off your debts in a strategic and efficient manner. The key is to make debt reduction a top priority and to focus on paying off as much debt as possible each month. 5. Embrace DIY. The DIY, do-it-yourself mentality, is a key aspect of the minimalist lifestyle. By learning to do things yourself, you can save a significant amount of money on things like home repairs, car maintenance, and even home decor. Instead of hiring someone to do a task for you, take the time to learn how to do it yourself. This can be done through online tutorials, books, or by taking a class. Not only does DIY save you money, but it also empowers you to take control of your life and learn new skills. By learning how to fix things yourself, you'll become more self-sufficient and less reliant on others. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating these habits into your life today and see the positive impact they can have on your finances and your overall well-being. If you enjoy watching this video, consider the next one to learn more about minimalism, decluttering, and living a simple life.